Good morning, all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra. Today, going to continue with Standard 3, Chapter 8, Introduction to Scratch. इसमें जो मुख्य बातें हैं वह इस प्रकार है कि how do you express your feelings to your family and friends through a language. अगर हमें अपनी फीलिंग्स अपने लैंग्वेज को व्यक्त करना है तो इसके लिए एक भाषा की ज़रूरत होती है. फिर ए लैंग्वेज इज ए मीडियम. लैंग्वेज वह माध्यम है टू टॉक और राइट जिसके माध्यम से हम लिख भी सकते हैं और बात भी कर सकते हैं. यू मे स्पीक डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज लाइक हिंदी, इंग्लिश और एनी अदर रीजनल लैंग्वेज, बट टू टॉक टू एनी पर्सन वी नीड टू कॉमन लैंग्वेज विच बोथ ऑफ यू स्पीक अंडरस्टैंड. मतलब लिखने के लिए तो हम अलग अलग माध्यम अपना सकते हैं, लेकिन यदि हम किसी से बात कर रहे हो तो इस बात को ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि जो हम बोल रहे हैं वो सामने वाला समझ रहा है और सामने वाला वो जो बोल रहा है वो हम समझ रहे हैं. इसका मतलब ये कॉमन लैंग्वेज होना चाहिए. तो ये कंप्यूटर डज नॉट अंडरस्टैंड द लैंग्वेज वी स्पीक. इट अंडरस्टैंड only few special language of its own. These are known as the programming language. A programming language has a set of instruction which you can make computer to do any activity you want. उसी में Scratch is one of the easiest way computer language. A student can Scratch to create their own games, animate a story and project with games. Computer also follows a step-by instruction to complete any task. These step-by instruction are known as the program. तो प्रोग्राम क्या हुआ? प्रोग्राम step-by instruction. फिर Scratch was developed by the lifelong kindergarten group of the Massachusetts Institute of the Technology MIT Media Lab by the Michael Resnick in 2003. Scratch 3.0 is the latest version of the Scratch. It comes with a lot of the existing new features such as the dozen of the new sprites, background and sounds. It was released in the 2nd January 2019. Scratch used in more than 150 countries and available in the 40 different languages. Scratch can easily run on the different operating systems including the Windows, Mac operating system and Linux. तो इसमें स्प्राइट्स भी है. स्प्राइट इज a small graphical character that perform the action in the Scratch project, and a stage is the main working area where the sprite moves and perform action as per the given instruction. And block plates contain the set of the blocks which is used to program the sprites and give action to it. A script is a collection of step-by instruction that are given to a sprite to do a specific task. And a script area is the area where you create the script for the sprite to do a particular task. The script is created by dragging the instruction from the block plates and dropping them stepwise one below the other. A script is also called a program. Moving a sprite. All the instructions related to the movement of the sprite are given under the motion block menus. And these are the know about the motion blocks. And drawing a colorful circle. The block in the pane blocks allow the sprite to draw lines and stage, change the color and the thickness of the line. Making the duplicate, you can create duplicate copy of the sprites. The stamp block is used. And as saving a Scratch, once you finish the project, always save it before closing the Scratch windows. And extension, the Scratch 2.0 project are saved with the extension .sv2. Now recapping, a computer understands only a few special language on its own. These are known as the programming language. Scratch is one of the easiest computer language. The students can use the Scratch to create their own games, animated stories and project with great ease. And the sprite is a small graphical character that perform action in a Scratch project. The script is a collection of step-by-step instructions that are given to the sprite to do the specific task. The script area is the place where you create a script for the sprite to do a particular task. All the instructions related to the movement of the sprite are given under the motion block menus. The block in the pen block menu allow the sprite to draw lines on the stage, change the color and the thickness of the line. Now fill in the blanks. Scratch. Thank you. Next day I will continue with the objective.